Hey everyone, PAC PREZ here. And what we're talking about today is going to be the concept of military padlocks and what the DoD lock program, with the DLA, everyone that's responsible for these padlocks that go to our military, what are the classifications? It gets confusing because you've got this high security, low security, what's a medium security, even if there is one? What are these classifications? How does PACLOCK help out? And how do I buy these products? So if you've landed on this particular page, that means that you're looking at our family of products as we support the military. And as you click into each one, the high security, the GFSP, low security, you'll get more information about each of those products. What's important for you to know right now is that there are 3 classifications of padlocks as it relates to how the DoD lock program or the DLA classifies padlocks. The highest level being a high security padlock, and that's the actual title. It's called high security padlock. Not that creative, but it gets the job done. It tells you what it is, okay? So if you're looking for the high security padlock, click on that link, we'll give you more information. Now the next level down is called the General Field Service Padlock, or GFSP. No, it's not medium security padlock. It's not called that. I guess you could unofficially nickname it as the medium security padlock, but this padlock's what's used on a lot of the exterior gates, fences, things like that. It's very environmentally tough, but it's the GSFP. And then the lowest classification is what they call a low security padlock. These padlocks, unlike the previous 2, don't have a military specification related to them. They're all defined by what's called a CID, or a commercial item description. And that CID talks about what the padlock should be able to have, its features. It's regulated to some degree by what's called the F883 specification with ASTM. But on the whole, that padlock is just a commercial padlock. You should be able to buy it off the shelf. Now, with what the government looks for, it's not really a commercial item. It's very specific and unique to the military. But there you have it. You got your low security, your GFSP, and your high security padlock. All of which PACLOCK now produces, is qualified to produce, and is the first and only company, at least I'm aware of, that's ever had that classification for all 3 levels of padlocks to the military. We're proud of that fact. I can't say it's something that we've been shooting for a lot of years. No, honestly, when I started with the company in 2005, yeah, we made low security padlocks. We sold them to the military, but it wasn't a big part of our business. What I will say though, as a former Army officer, West Point grad, is that, yeah, the DLA is a bit frustrating to work with, and that's probably putting it mildly. And each year we've had this whole debate, do we keep selling to the military? Do we say forget it? It's not really worth it. They are just so challenging to work with. But when I look back on my time in the military and I think about the other vendors that are out there supposedly producing these locks for our warfighters, and seeing either the quality that they're producing or the lead times in which they're providing these locks to our military and the warfighters, it's always bothered me. And I've told the family that, you know what, we need to keep doing it. PACLOCK is a great company. We're not perfect, but darn it, we can do it better than anybody else. And so over the years, we've just kind of gradually grown into this company to where we now have low security padlocks. We have the GFSP that used to come from a European company. Now an American manufacturer is producing that PACLOCK. And then the high security padlock. So you'll get more information about each one as you dig into each family or each class of padlock. But just know PACLOCK's here for you, especially for the warfighter. We'll do everything we can to support you. Get the product when you need it and where you need it.